In a world filled with endless challenges and obstacles, sometimes all we need is a little nudge to wake up the greatness within us. Welcome to the Wake Up Motivational video, where we embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, leaving no room for self-doubt or hesitation. This is your moment to rise, to shine, and to conquer. Every morning, the sun graces the horizon, painting the sky with hues of hope and promise. Just like the sun, you have the power to illuminate your world with endless possibilities. Each day presents an opportunity to start anew, to embrace your potential, and to rewrite your story. In this super motivational video, we'll explore the secrets of success and confidence, reminding you that you are destined for greatness. Your dreams may seem distant, but they're within reach. It's time to shed your doubts, your fears, and embrace the path to your dreams. Success doesn't come easy, but remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you rise after each fall. Every setback is a stepping stone to success. It's okay to stumble, as long as you get back up, stronger and wiser. As you watch this motivational video, let these words resonate within your soul. Believe in yourself, for you are capable of miracles. Surround yourself with positivity, for it will fuel your ambition. And remember, the only limitations that exist are the ones you place upon yourself.
Today, make a vow to yourself. Promise to push beyond your limits, to silence the naysayers, and to pursue your passions relentlessly. Your journey may be challenging, but know that every step forward brings you closer to your aspirations. And as you rise to your success, lift others with you. Your kindness and compassion can ignite the flames of hope in someone else's heart. Together, we create a world where dreams are not only pursued but achieved. So, let this be your wake-up call to greatness. Seize the day, for it is your canvas, and you are the artist. Paint a masterpiece of achievements, resilience, and unwavering determination. Embrace every challenge with courage and grace, for you are destined for victory. Are you ready to embark on this journey of self-discovery, to awaken the dormant fire within you? Watch this super motivational video every morning, and let it be a reminder of your infinite potential. Wake up to your greatness and let the world witness your transformation. It's time to rise, to shine, and to conquer. Wake up to your dreams and let your journey to success begin now.